In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate boards in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Duplicating boards in Trello can be a real time saver, especially if you have templates or specific layouts that you'd like to reuse. So let's get started. First, open the Trello board that you want to duplicate. This is the board that contains all the lists, cards, and information that you want to replicate. Once you have your board open, look up to the top right corner. You'll see a button with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that to open a drop-down menu. This menu holds a variety of options to manage your board. From the options presented, you're going to want to select Copy Board. This action will initiate the process of duplicating your board. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new board. This is where you can get creative. You might want to add a suffix or a specific identifier to distinguish it from the original board so you won't mix them up later. After you've entered a name for your new board, the next step is to choose the workspace where you want the new board to reside. Take a moment to select the appropriate workspace if you belong to multiple ones. It's an essential step to ensure everything stays organized and easy to find. Finally, to wrap it all up, look for the Create button. Once you click on this, your new board will be created instantly. The duplication will include all the lists and cards from the original board, so you're ready to go without needing to start from scratch. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a Trello board. This feature is particularly useful for team projects or if you're managing multiple clients but want to maintain a consistent structure across different boards. One quick tip: after creating your new board, take a moment to review it. You might want to tweak some of the card details or lists to fit your current needs better. It's always a good idea to ensure that everything is aligned with your current objectives. So remember, duplicating boards in Trello is a breeze. Just open the board, click on the 3 dots, select Copy Board, name your new board, choose the right workspace, and hit Create. It's all about making sure your workflow is as efficient as possible. If you have any questions about duplicating boards or using Trello's other features, make sure to drop those in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Trello tips. Happy organizing!